Polygon Matic at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move after getting rejected at our key area of resistance above the 0.5303. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of support that we need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the additive structures and the Fibonacci's, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 20th of December. I have been expecting that we are going to continue bouncing impulsively, where I believe that we had first peaked in the formation of these additive count 1. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of these wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked here on the chart using this yellow target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, an area that we didn't quite fully maximize, though at some point we saw a bit of a bounce to the upside. And I had said to you in my previous videos that that could be the start of an impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. But from the price action we can see over here, these movements to the upside is not impulsive, and that is suggesting that there are high chances that in the next coming hours we can easily get one more breakdown move, fully maximizing our yellow target area over here, give us a low in the formation of this wave 2 before we can bounce impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher in the formation of this wave 5. So in case of any breakdown moves, the micro key areas of support that we need to pay attention to lies between the 0.4676 and the 0.4358, an area that we can expect to see one more new low within that target area before we can finally bounce impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. And this additive structure that I have here on the chart in red is part of an even larger additive count 3. And this larger additive count 3 is part of an even larger additive that I have been tracking from the lows we made on the 4th of November, where you can see that we first peaked impulsively in the formation of this wave 1, so a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in a wave 3, a wave 4, then finally peaked impulsively in the formation of this wave 5, giving us a high above the 0.77, and that 5 wave structure to the upside completed an even larger additive count 1. And having seen the formation of that first wave, I expected a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a larger additive count 2, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78. That is the target area that I have marked on the charts using this red target area, and that is between the 0.589 and the 0.3896, an area that we have not fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of these larger additive count 2, and in the next coming hours we can easily start an impulsive additive count 3, and the confirmation that I'm waiting for is a 5 wave structure to be completed to confirm that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and the wave 3 is just getting started. And the minimum target areas for the wave 3 can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave down here on the 4th of November to the high of the wave 1. So from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 1.1849. So that is all I'm expecting here on the Polygon Matic chart on the short term, and I've given you the key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to in case of a short term breakdown move in the next coming hours. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.